Hello everyone, I hope y'all are having a great day. Today I have Teami's Lifebox. It is like a mystery box. And this is what it looks like. And then it says, our box, your lifestyle. This is what it looks like inside. Now, I already did this video, but the video got messed up, so I'm redoing this. So I've already been into these. First, there's this face mask applicator. Looks like this. Has a cute marbled design on it. That's what it looks like. Flexible. And this retails for $14.99. Then we have this detox mask. It's the green tea blend. It's matcha lemongrass clay. Has a seal. That's what it looks like inside. And the directions for this is dampen face slightly with water. With fingertips, apply thin to medium layer on face and neck. Allow 10 to 15 minutes for mask to dry. Simply wash off with water and pat the skin dry. Use 1 to 4 times weekly as needed. Best applied at night. Then we have this clear quartz facial roller. This. And on the inside it says clear quartz, known as the master healer, purify patient's positivity. There. Looks like. And then on the back it says, used in Eastern Asian skincare routines since the 7th century, this handheld beauty tool can boost blood circulation, smooth out fine lines, and reduce puffiness. Known as the Master Healer, using a clear quartz crystal to gently massage the face may also promote anti-stress benefits. Apply favorite serum, oil, or moisturizer. Then using soft, light pressure, start on the chin, work from the center outward and upward on the cheeks. And then it says, beauty tip, store your clear quartz roller in the fridge for an extra cooling effect. Then we have this matcha powder, and it's chocolate flavored. And it says, matcha is a green tea powder grown in Japan and packed with antioxidants. Drink in tea form or use in cooking. It does not have the instructions on it. Comes in a little pen. And it doesn't have instructions on that either. Then we have a tea infuser. like. Open it up and put your loose tea in. And then you have a little thing that you can set the tea infuser on so it doesn't get everywhere. Then we have this tumbler. It's 20 ounce. Has a strainer, so you can put loose tea in and you don't end up getting the loose tea in your mouth. Has a flip and it has a bottom compartment so you can put your extra loose tea if you want to need more for later. This was a new surprise color in this box. And then the last thing is this butterfly blend tea. Directions say place 1 teaspoon of our Teami butterfly in a cup or a tumbler and add hot water. Steep 5 to 10 minutes for maximum benefits and flavor. And this has butterfly pea flowers, jasmine tea, and stevia leaf in it. And if you add lemon, it changes to a purple color, and it's originally blue. Oh, and I forgot to say pricings on these. So the butterfly tea blend is $29.99. The matcha powder is $29.99. The tea infuser is $8.45. The tumbler is $29.99. Also, it is BPA free. The clear quartz facial roller is $29.99, and the green tea detox mask is $29.99. The Lifebox is originally $69.99, and the value of the box is supposed to be $170. I'll add that up and put it somewhere on the screen to see if it was really a $170 value. And I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.